So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that ABCDEF is a regular hexagon and the red area is equal to 64 centimeter square and the yellow area is equal to 42 centimeter square. So this is the red area and this is the yellow area. So we have to find the area of this blue region. So let's see how we can find that. So you see uh, the red plus yellow plus blue, this area is equal to like this purple area and this black area. You can easily see that. So the blue plus red plus yellow is equal to purple plus black. We can easily write this. So our final goal is to find the blue area. So if we find the red area, yellow area, purple and black, so we can easily find out the blue. And red and yellow is already given in the problem. So our whole goal is to find this purple and this black area. So you see this figure. In this figure, the red area is the area of the triangle like P, B and C. There, this PX is from the point P. If I draw one perpendicular, this will cut the line BC at the point X. So this is the PX. So we can write the area of the triangle as half times this base BC and this perpendicular distance PX. And in the problem, it is given that this red area is 64 centimeter square. So this is 64, and we also know like this CE length is also equal to the PX length because both are parallel lines. And this is a regular hexagon. So let's suppose the side of the hexagon is X. So this is X, this is X, this is also X, this is X, this is X, this is X because this is a regular hexagon. So now you see the triangle CED. So we know this side as X and this side as X, and we know in the regular hexagon this angle is 120 degree. So we can write like CE square is equal to CD square plus DE square minus 2 times CD, ED and cos of 120 degree by the cosine rule. We can put like CD as X, DE as X, so this will become X square plus X square, and here cos of 120 is minus half, so it will become like after simplifying 2x square multiplied by half. So this whole thing will become like CE square is equal to 3 times x square, and from here you can find out the value of CE is root 3 times x. So now you know the value of CE. So now you can put the value of this px length as equal to the CE length, which is equal to the root 3x, and this BC is equal to the x because this is the side of the hexagon. So you can put the values here, and from here you can find out the value of x square, and it will come like 128 divided by root 3. So you got the value of x square. Now you see this is our purple area, this above area, this is our purple area. So this is a regular hexagon, and I divided this whole purple area into three equilateral parts. So how I divided? You see, so this AD has a length 2x. So let's say this is the midpoint. So this is the value x, and this length is also x, and this is the center. And from the center, you join like this. Let's say this is O. OB is also x, and OC is also x. So this whole area we can divide into three equal parts, and three equal parts are three equilateral triangles. So why this length is x? Because this length is x and this length is x, and we know this angle is 60 degree, and this is an isosceles triangle, so this angle must be equal to this angle, and the sum of these two angles is 120 degree, and if we divide 120 degree into two equal parts, it will become like 60. So this will also become 60 and this will also become 60. So that's why it is an equilateral triangle. So we can write purple area as 3 times of equilateral triangle area, and one equilateral triangle area is root 3 by 4 times its side square. And in the previous calculation we calculate the value of x square as 128 by root 3, and x is the side of this, so x square value we can put as 128 by root 3. So from here it will cancel, and final the purple area will become like 96 centimeter square. So now our final goal is to find the black area like this. this area, then we can easily find out our final blue area. So the black area is the area of the triangle PAD. So this is P, this is A, this is D. So what is the area of this triangle? It is the half times the base is AD. So the base is AD, like this is the base and this is the perpendicular height. So AD times PQ. So what is the value of PQ? PQ, if I just draw like this, so this is the point Q, and this is simply the half of this whole length. This whole length we find out like root 3x, like here, and half of that is root 3x by 2. So it is the root 3x by 2, this PQ length, and this AD length we know this is x and this is x. So if we sum both of these, it will become like 2x. So the area will become like half times 2x times root 3x by 2. And here also the x square is coming. So its value is 128 by root 3. So you can put that value here. So after simplifying, it will come like 64 centimeter square. So now we have purple area and the black area. So the purple area is 96, black area is 64. Red area given in the problem as 64 and yellow area given in the problem as 42. So we can find out this blue area. So after simplifying, it will come like 54 centimeter square. So in this way, we can calculate this. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. We will meet in the next.